1, 2, 3, 4. Bhangra is all about energy. Welcome back to my channel, Penny Silly Thoughts. So the wedding season is just around the corner and I don't think India का कोई ऐसा state है जहाँ पे marriages में पंजाबी गाने नहीं बजते हैं. So I compiled this video for you guys in which I teach basic Bhangra steps so that you're all ramped up for your relative's wedding or your friend's wedding. So without any delay, let's get started and do not forget to warm up before you start learning. Let's go. So let's start with the first step. In this, what we're going to do is I'm going to cross my left leg with my right leg, bring it back, and cross my right leg with my left leg and bring it back. So there are two things you need to take care of when you're doing this step. Is one, that you raise your leg as high as possible, and the second is whichever leg is on the ground, you hop with that leg. I'll actually show you when I do it. So let's try it without the hop once and then we'll try with the hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try with the hop and with leg raised high. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the hands, so your palm is going to be open and you're just going to fold your elbows up, down, and you're going to hop with your shoulders in this, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of your upper arm is in use whenever you're doing a Bhangra step like this. So let's join the hands with the legs and let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you see carefully, my hands come down whenever my foot touches the ground and they are up whenever my foot is in the air or whenever I am transitioning to the other foot. I'll do it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is going to be really easy because you do not need to jump high with your legs. You just need to have that hop and that push in your body that will make your Bhangra look energetic. In this step, I'm just going to push my feet against the floor alternatively. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now adding that hop in the body. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hands are going to be like, I close my hands, open, close, open. And when I open my hands, I push away from my body, close, away, close, away. Let's try it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And every time my foot pushes against the floor, my hands go away from my body. So each time you move your hands away from your body and you bring them back, the level will increase a little bit. So I start from my waist to my chest level, to my neck level, and to my head level. Let's try both of them together. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now moving on to the next step, you can start from whichever leg you want or whichever leg you're more comfortable with. I'm going to start with my right leg, but in the final performance you'll see I'm switching between the legs. So do whichever leg you're more comfortable with. So I'm going to pick my right leg up, push it down on the floor, pick it up again and push it down. I'll do it twice and then move to my left leg and repeat the same. Pick it up, push it down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this, I'll hop with the leg which is on the ground and try to raise the leg which is up as high as possible. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now adding hands to it. Actually this step is called full. Full is a flower. We make flower with our hands. So the leg that I start from, I'll do my hands like this, make a flower. 1, 2, and then do a transition. Put my hands up. 1, 2. Let's try both of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saving the best for the last. What I'm going to do is The leg on the ground is going to hop and the leg in the air is going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 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 back. Now with the hop and the jump, hands on the waist, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this my hands are again going to be like up, down, up, down. Let's try with the hands. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So whenever my leg comes back, my hands go down. Leg comes out, hands up, and then up, down, up, down. Now make sure whenever your leg is lifted up, lift is as high as you can. You do not need to pressurize yourself yet, but when you are better at Bhangra, you can start lifting your legs a little up because that will make your Bhangra look super cool. So that were all the 4 steps that I wanted to teach in this class, and I hope आप लोग मुझे follow कर पाए. Let's try our music once before we part. Let's go. Enjoyed the video and you're all set for the coming wedding season. Give it a big thumbs up if you like the video and share it with your friends so they can also learn Bhangra. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I'll see you really soon. Bye!